Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, or you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store. It's up to you. Now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and go to Manage Apps and Device. Here we've got the option Updates available, and as you can see, this is the list of all apps which can be updated. So now it's up to you. You can either update all of them just by tapping on this option here, and your device will download all, or you can choose a specific app and simply tap on Update next to it. However, to be honest, I highly recommend tapping on Update All, because eventually some apps, if they are not updated, they will work a little bit less efficient, I would say, or you will have some problems with opening them. Alright, so I forgot to say that now your device is downloading the updates, and basically they will be automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.